So if you're watching this video, you may or may not know that I wrote two books. One was called Law Firm SEO, which was specifically written for lawyers that are looking to market their business from an SEO perspective. And then the second book was called Honest SEO, which was basically a book that was much broader to anybody that was looking to learn a little bit more about search engine optimization. And the question is, what was the hardest part about writing a book? And I think that's pretty easy for me. It's just a matter of making a commitment and then getting started. Like, that's the hardest part. I always thought to myself that I would write a book someday. And in fact, I toyed around, like this was actually what I referred to as a book. It was called My SEO Blueprint for Law Firms. And this is something that I wrote back in like 2015. And it wasn't really a book. It was more of like a pamphlet, I guess, if you will. And it had some good information in here. But it wasn't really a book, right? Like, I truly didn't commit, to doing something that was going to take 18 months. Like, this was something that was done kind of in like maybe like 30 days, maybe 2 months with all the graphic design and stuff like that. So writing a book is a real commitment. It takes a lot of time. It takes resources. It takes thought. It takes structure. And it also takes, other experts that have more experience in writing a book to kind of guide you through it. So if you're interested in writing a book, I would certainly make sure that you are fully committed. For me, I allocated, so much time every week where I just blocked off my calendar, and that's just what I did. And so I think it's a big commitment. You're going to have to take it seriously. There's so many people that start books and never finish. That's another problem. But once I got started, I was just motivated, and I got more motivated. And then next thing you know, we're working on the cover design, and that excites you. And then you're working on illustrations. And then, then once you get it done, then it becomes easier, right? Then you have people that are editing it, and like, you're just like, okay, my job's done for the most part. Right. But like I said, I think the hardest part was making the commitment and then getting started.